He lost his job on a Tuesday. By Friday, his savings were gone. A month later, he was sleeping in the backseat of his car, wondering how his entire life had collapsed so quickly. But losing everything was not the moment that destroyed him. The moment that destroyed him happened years earlier, when he first started believing he had more time. He had plans. He wanted to build a business, repair his relationships, get back in shape, and become someone his family could depend on. But every morning, he told himself the same thing. I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow became next week. Next week became next year. And slowly, the life he thought he was building became a life he was only talking about. Then everything changed. The company downsized. His position disappeared. The bills did not stop because his paycheck did. The people who once praised him stopped answering his calls. For the first time, he had nowhere to hide. No distractions, no excuses, no comfortable routine protecting him from the truth. Sitting alone in that car, he finally understood the rule that would rebuild his life. Never depend on motivation to do what discipline has already decided. Motivation had always made him feel powerful. He would watch something inspiring, write down new goals, and promise himself that this time would be different. But when the emotion faded, so did the effort. Discipline was different. Discipline did not ask how he felt. It only asked what needed to be done next. So he created one rule. Every day, before he allowed himself comfort, he had to complete one action that moved his life forward. Not 10 actions. 1. Some mornings, that meant applying for a job. Other mornings, it meant exercising in a public park, making a difficult phone call, learning a new skill, or admitting where he had failed. The actions looked small, but small actions repeated daily began changing the man performing them. One application became an interview. One interview became temporary work. Temporary work became stable income. 10 minutes of exercise became 30. One honest conversation began repairing a relationship he thought was permanently broken. His life did not change overnight. His identity did. He stopped seeing himself as a man waiting to be rescued. He became a man who could trust himself again. That was the real victory. Because when you repeatedly break promises to yourself, you lose more than time. You lose confidence in your own word. And once you stop believing yourself, every goal begins to feel impossible. You do not need another speech. You do not need the perfect plan. You need proof. Proof that when you say you will do something, you follow through. So choose one action today. Make the call. Finish the work. Take the walk. Turn off the distraction. Do it before you feel ready, because your life will not change when motivation finally arrives. It will change when your actions stop asking your feelings for permission.